Hi, this is Bhairavi Shah, a card reader, a numerologist, and I do conduct workshops, seminars. I do give online courses, WhatsApp courses, which helps you upgrade your life, which helps you get the support in a professional manner in regards to different areas of your life, whichever course that you're choosing and that is available that time. Right now we are working with Lenormand series, that is Lenormand cards, the basics of it. Keep a journal please, most of you know it, and write down the meanings, which the words that I'm giving it to you, and when you are practicing this, try to use those words only, and later on do write down whatever happened, what was relevant according to you, and if you come up with your own things, or is there any discovery with the help of these words, do let us know surely. Now next card, we are coming to the card Sun, which itself is a very positive card. That card indicates light. It indicates literally light. It indicates energy, charged up, energetic. It also indicates charming. It indicates success, happiness, good luck. In some cases it also indicates ego. That is my opinion. Ego. It indicates clarity, electricity too. So be careful about that. It shows good fortune, and sometimes it indicates a person being a charming person. So these are the basics of the Sun card. Always check the surrounding cards, the placement of the cards, how farther away or how closer it is to which card also is very important. However, right now we are just doing 2 card practice, so keep it to that and let's see how it turns out later on. If you would really like that this information is shared with you, this information is helping you, you like this information and you're happy and grateful, sometimes some people do feel that, so I'd love if you could make it visible that you love it. So please do like, say, share, subscribe, and do comment any wonderful comment that you feel, what you truthfully feel. And if you want consultation, of course you can reach me out on my email address or WhatsApp message. I'm not giving out the numbers anywhere just very readily, but I would appreciate if you find my number. Please only WhatsApp me with the specific query to save the time, energy, both, and we'll get to work. If I do not reply to you, that is what you feel, that I have not replied to you yet and somehow maybe I might have missed it some way, please wait for some days, and if you still do not get that, please, you have the venues where you can connect with me. Leave a very kind and nice and very gentle nudge or reminder on maybe any of the avenues that you are there, maybe Messenger, maybe Instagram, whichever avenues that you can see here. I would try my best to get back to you as soon as possible. So that being said, for now, bye.